What's up, YouTube family? I am back. It's me, Anae, the insurance dealer, and I am here today to help y'all through this application process. So if you're new here, what's up? Good to see you. Good to have you. I hope you love it here. If you're not new here, y'all know the vibes. Let's get right into it. The application process is what we're going to be talking about today and how that works. I have a list of notes with me, so I'm going to just be looking down to kind of fill you in on when you're going to sit down with the agent or you're going to do a complete application over the phone with an agent or on a Zoom call. This is the information that you will need to complete the application and submit it to the insurance company to get your policy started. So of course, personal information is first. So the agent is going to need your full name, your date of birth, your social security number, your address. This is also where they'll be mailing your policy to, because you do get a physical copy in the mail. Your gender, of course, so whether you're male or female. Most applications do ask for your occupation, and they may ask how much money you make per year. Health information is also needed. You'll be asked a ton of health questions. Every application varies, every company varies, so a lot of health questions as to, do you use tobacco? Have you been diagnosed with HIV? Have you ever been diagnosed with cancer? Are you in hospice care? Are you hospitalized? So they ask a range of questions. Do you have COPD, emphysema? A range of health questions, right? These questions are a part of the application and will determine the rate that you will receive based on that in your prescription history. So they do a medical background check. They will, in the process, get all of your medical information will be obtained within this call, not from the agent, but from the actual company. So you will give the agent permission to for the company to look into your actual, what medications you're taking, anything you've been diagnosed with. So all of your medical records, the insurance company will have access to. Your lifestyle, they do have some questions on on certain applications. Where do you intend to fly an aircraft, be a student pilot, things of that nature, scuba diving. That will put you at a higher risk for the company to insure you. Your driving history is important. If you have lots of DUIs, reckless driving violations, your application can and will be denied by a company. So your beneficiary information, financial information, like the type of policy you're getting, how big the policy is, all of that will be input on the application as well. Your payment information. So this section, most companies, they draft your actual policy from your account every month. So you're going to have your bank account information, your account and routing number handy, the bank that you utilize, the day of the month you want the company to draft the payment. That is all up to you. They don't just decide, okay, you're signing up today, you have to pay today. No, what day do you want it to be drafted? And then your driver's license number. So you put your driver's license number so they can check and see if you have any reckless driving, DUIs, things of that nature. So that's mostly all the information that's needed. Some apps may have a few different variations of things to where they may ask a little bit more, get a little bit more in detail. Some apps may not even get as in detail. But overall, that's the gist of what you can find on a life insurance application before applying and sitting down with the agent. So if you're looking to get some life insurance, make sure you contact me, 803-916-9949, or schedule a consultation online. You should be able to find a link somewhere in the bio of this YouTube. You should be able to find a link on my channel to where you can go schedule a consultation. And if you like this video, like it for me. Even if you didn't like it, just hit the little like for me, give me a little love. Comment in the comment section, tell me what you thought about it. Tell me if you learned something new or if it's something else new that you want to learn. And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel so you can stay in the know of all the things that happen over here in Anae, the insurance dealer land. Okay? Love y'all. See y'all in the next video.